Hello guys, welcome back to the video tutorial about PowerPoint. Today we are on the 10th day of our PowerPoint tutorial series, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is slideshow. This is a very important topic, and once you prepare your slides, you need to show it to the people or your audience. At this stage you are going to use the slideshow. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and get notified for the new videos. Once again, thank you. When you click on the slideshow after the animation, you can see that there is a lot of options available. Let's begin from the beginning. So this is basically if you want to show the slideshow from the beginning of your slides. Say for example it's introduction section, the first slides. In this case, wherever you are, you finished with your project, you prepared all your slides and you want to show to the people from the beginning. So in this case you just click on it and the presentations begin from the first slide. Okay, this animations that we have discussed in the previous slides, it's still there, I didn't remove it. So this is how we are going to proceed with the slideshow. Whatever transitions we have applied, whatever animations that we have given to the objects, it will be there. So if you want to start it from beginning, you can use that option, and from current slide option is there. Say for example you are in between some slides and you want to show the presentation from that particular slide. For example, I want to show the slides or the animation, the slideshow presentation from the third slide onwards. So you will click on the third slide and you will press this one. So the presentation will start from the third slide. Okay, and it will proceed after you click the mouse button. So next, present online option, you don't need this one. This is for publishing your slideshow in the internet. And the next option is custom slideshow. Custom slideshow is nothing but you can organize your slides and make it a new presentation show. Say for example, the normal is first one is PowerPoint tutorial day 10, picture for the slide 3. I have given some numbers, it's even is fine. So I want to organize this one in a different order. Say for example, let's try with the 4 slides. The second slide, it will be showing in the first position. Second one is the 4th slide. Third one is the third slide itself. And as 4th slide, the first title slide will be displayed. Now I have organized one. So and I'm giving a name test. Okay, test to show, say for example, and press OK, and then I click on show. You can see that it's begun from the 4th slide or second slide, whatever I given, and I proceed this one. The final slide that is showing, it's the first slide in the presentation. So this is custom show of the presentation. So this is very important for you to organize your slides for the show. Sometimes you don't need all the slides, you need some slides to be rearranged. So in this case you can go with the custom slideshow. You can add multiple shows here and you can show it using the test show or the name that it's displayed here. Here I have given already test show. So let's move to the next topic then. Setup slideshow option. In setup slideshow option, you have this many options. Presented by a speaker and browsed by an individual window, browsed at kiosk full screen. Let's try with this one. Let's go with the presented at speaker. You have this many options here. Loop continues until escape, show without narration, show without animation, disable hardware graphics acceleration, and the pen color you can choose. This one I'll show you later. and even the slides, from where to where you need to show the slides. So for example, I want to show from 2 to 5, fifth slide, and if you want to show the custom, you can go with the custom as well. Now I'm going with this one, 2 to 5, and pressed OK. This 4 slides has to be displayed. Okay, you can see that after the 5th slide it's turned to the end screen option. So that is about the custom slide selection for the show. Now let us see loop continues until escape. This is the option where you want to loop the slideshow until you press the escape button. Let's see that. I press this one. After the 4th slide, it shouldn't come back. It should show the end screen. But you can see here, when I go with this one, it's automatically looping. It's beginning from the first slide that we have chosen for the slideshow. Okay. Now let's go with the all option. I remove this one. Show without narration. What is the narration actually? It's actually the topic coming here. Narration, we can give a narration to the slides. Each slide, you can record the narration to each slide in your presentation. And after that, if suppose you have the recording for the slides and you want to show the slides still without narration, then in this case you need to check this one and press OK. So it will display without narration. And show without animation, this one we can do it easily. I can show you this one, show without animation. Now you can see this PowerPoint tutorial day 10 prepared by my name, whatever it comes without animation directly. So this is if you want to remove the animation for the presentation, but still keeping the same animation there, you can use it later. At the particular moment you don't need it to show the animation in the presentation. Okay, now disable hardware graphic acceleration, you don't need it. This is doesn't make that much difference. It's for when you use the pictures, high clarity pictures, and you don't need it really. And this pen color, you can choose the pen color if you want to draw the over the slideshow. I'll show you that one. And here we have discussed all the slides, and if you want to begin from one particular slide to a particular slide, and custom show, you can manually organize your slides. Advanced slides, manually and using timing if present. Manually means it will not move until you press the next or the cursor button in your keyboard. In this case, mouse button, it will work, and also if there is timing for the slides, it will automatically work. Let us try this one. Let me show this one to you. First we will go with the timing. You can go here. Okay, after 3 seconds it should move to the next slide. After 2 seconds it should move to the next slide. Now I'm going to show the animation. After we finish the animation, after 3 seconds it's automatically turned to the next slide. After 2 seconds the third slide has been displayed. Now let us go here, the slideshow, and set up custom show manually, and I pressed OK. When I click here, nothing is displayed. I'm clicking the mouse button. Now the animation is displayed. Now I'm clicking the now let's wait for the 3 seconds. Now after 3 seconds nothing happens. I move to the next slide. After 2 seconds it should go to the third slide. Even after 5 seconds it doesn't go. So this is about the manual option and using timings if present. And if you have multiple monitor, you can go with this option. You can have a view for your computer and another view for your external monitor that's connected to the computer. We don't have the monitor right now, so you can test it yourself. You need to choose a primary monitor and a secondary monitor. you can use the presenter view for yourself and the monitor for external monitor as the slideshow. Press OK. Now let us hide some of the slides. What is hiding? Say for example I remove the second slide. Now I'm removing the fourth slide. Now let me show you the now the first slide is finished. It's going to the third slide. The fourth slide is not there. You can go back third slide after coming fifth slide. So the second slide and fourth slide is hidden from the slideshow. This is very useful when you want to keep the slides but not in the animation. You don't want to display the in the slideshow. Then rehearse timing. Rehearse timing is an option to set the timing for each slide and for each animation also. So after the 7th second I am applying the second animation. At the 10th second I have given this one. At the 17th second it's going to the second slide. At the 23rd second it's going to third slide. Now what happens? You can see that when I press escape, the total time for your slideshow is 29 seconds. You want to save the slide? Yes, I want to save. And then I'm going to show you the slideshow. We have to do nothing, just wait what is going to happen. I'm not pressing anything on the mouse, I'm just seeing the screen. It will automatically show you the animations and the slides as per the timing that we have set during that during the operation. You can see that automatically it's moving. Okay, now let's back to the, you can uncheck this option. You can uncheck play narration, use timing, show media control directly, even if you have set the timing for each slides. Okay, and when you want to clear the timing, you can clear it. Clear timing on all slides. Clear timing on, if you want to remove the timing from on a particular slide but not others. In this case you can go with the current slide. Clear timing on all slides, it will remove all the timing. Then when you click here, nothing will happen. Automatic function is disabled. You need to press it manually, everything. Okay, so we finished the rehearse timing and record slideshow option. You have option to record from current slide. This is similar to the timing option, but you have an option to record the narration for your slide. Say for example I'm gonna record something. I'm recording something for my slideshow. You can see the timing over here, and I click here at the 7th second and third animation, fourth animation. Now I move to the next slide. You can start that it's begin from the 0 second, but the timing here, total timing is 19 seconds. So I press escape, and now when I show here, you can see that automatically the narration, it will appear. Now I remove the sound, that's why you can see it that here you have the timing. You can see the recorded conversation here. When I play narrations and I press here,
recording something for my
it is showing the
you can see the
narration itself. Okay, and if you want to remove it, just click here and just delete. That's all. It's as easy as deleting a picture or something. So I think we have finished with this topic almost. Monitor automatic primary monitor. This is the topic that we have discussed here, and when we click the additional monitor, you don't need it. You can use presenter view for showing on your computer. That's about the slideshow topic. We have finished this topic and only 2 topics left in our tutorial series. We can finish it with 1 or 2 videos. So thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Bye bye.